Hello everyone, welcome to SAP Plant Maintenance. So in the today's topic, we are going to discuss on queries. Okay, so SAP queries. So in SAP using SAP queries, we can create any easy reports on our own, which doesn't involve much logic. Reports which can be achieved by doing some simple table joins and which does not involve any complex logic. And moreover, those kinds of reports which functional consultant can himself do without depending on the tech team. So those kind of reports we can build in SAP. So those can be done using SAP query. Okay, so SAP queries. So majorly there are three T codes in which entire SAP queries can be, the report can be built. So the as per the sequence, so the T codes were SQ02, okay, and SQ03, and final is SQ01. So we will see what is SQ, all these T codes whenever we go through and build a new Z report as an example. So what is the Z report that we took as an example to build in our today's class? So that is, let's say there is a requirement from the client saying that he needs such a report where he can able to see the order number, basic start date, basic finish date, created on, created by, equipment, like who is the manufacturer of that equipment, country of manufacturer, company code, manufacturing drawing number. So basically, such a kind of report where it is not available in standard, right? So those are the reports, right? So if it was available in standard, then they will not ask to build a new report, correct? So those are available, not available in standard. So it would be a combination of all the other fields from the different tables, and we are bringing everything, all the consolidating all the tables in one single report, and we are going to build that into today's class. So this is the basically the report output. So for any report, in order to get the output, we must also need the selection screen, correct? So in the for this report, what could can be the selection screen? Plant and the order number. If we need, we can add multiple uh, parameters in the selection screen, but for now we are going with plant and order number. So basically in this, there is no logic at all. Just we need to do the table joins, and we will see how to do the table joins, right? So let's log in into the SAP and see that. So what is the first T code I told? SQ02. So SQ02 is the T code where we need to create one info set first. Okay, in before creating or before executing the report, first of all we need to create an info set query. So our info set query is, let's say, ZZ, okay, PM, right? So report name we will give it as CUST, okay, customized report for CUST AMR on my plant itself. Okay, so this is my info set query I'm going to create. So I'm going to give the name, same name like Z report for main plant or for client AMR1, whatever the description you want, you can give. And here the table join using basis table. Okay, so in this we need to give that which tables we are going to join. So first, what is the table I am going to join? I'm going to join the AFKO table. Okay, and click on that tick mark. Okay, now if you see here, the fields in the table got displayed. Now I need to do the table joins, right? So for in order to get my report, what are all the tables need to use? I need to use AFKO, correct, and insert one more table. Which table? AFK we might need to use, right? So see, if you see here, the common field will be joined automatically by system. AFNL is a common. You also know that, I believe. And I am going to join AFIH. Okay, and even we want the details from the equipment tables to be fetched in this report. So EQI is the equipment table, right? So EQI. See. So all the common fields will be joined by automatically, and this is how the report is going to join by itself using the table joins. Okay. And click on back. Okay. And create empty field groups and save. And click on the tick mark. So if you click on the tick mark, then we will find this kind of screen where we need to drag and drop the respective fields which we need in the report. Okay. So I'm going to drag and drop my order number, the first basic finish date, basic start date, next, uh, what else? We'll also drag and drop, uh, what is there? So basically in the order data that is for this, that too, this is for plant maintenance, right? So we won't be having much number of reservations, dependent requirement. These are all related to plant maintenance, production planning only, right? So let's put order priority. Okay, order priority, and this should be fine. For the first one, this should be fine. So scroll down to the second. What is the second? Order master data. So what are all things we need? So we need order number, we need order type, drag and drop, order category, drag and drop, created on, drag and drop, entered by is created by drag and drop, description, yes, we need, company code, we need, correct, plant, we need in the report, right? So controlling area, yeah, you need, fine. Let's also have controlling area. Order status, yes, I need. Okay. So as explained before, I am also adding much more additional fields along with these fields. Okay. So that I am dragging and dropping here. And come to the maintenance order header. What are all the values you need from the maintenance order header? AFIH. I need equipment number. I need location and account assignment. I need system condition. I need maintenance planning plant, drag and drop, and what else? Uh, let's also take maintenance plan, right? So and this is that is fine. And come to the equipment master data. So from equipment master data, what are all we need? You need the equipment number, and you need the weight of the object. You need the equipment manufacturer of asset, correct? And you need country of manufacturer, right? And uh, model number, yeah, if you want you can take. So likewise, so these are enough. Okay, so if you see here, so we have dragged and dropped everything. So these are all going to, we are going to get all this in our report. After that, what is the next thing we need to do? Now we need to design our selection screen. How to do that? Go to extras, go to the selections tab, click on say create, and my first selection, as we discussed, plant I am going to enter, right? So plant and for. So from where the plant comes, AUFK, WERKS. So this is my one of the selection screen. And second is order number, order ORD num, correct? And click on this order number. This is sequence is two, correct? First is plant, second is order number. So order number for AUFK, AUFNR, AUFNR. Okay. Next, what else we need? Order type also will give. Okay. So ORD TYP. Order type. This is three. Right. So order type. Okay. and for AU, FK, AU, ART. Is order type in AFK? I am not sure. Let's check. So go to new transaction. So go to SC16N, AFK. Order type is there or what? Yeah, it's there. So AU, ART. Okay. So let's come and enter here and tick. Okay. So this is how we create. And this is mandatory. Okay. This is mandatory. So that is the reason I entered as this as default on selection screen. Okay. And I need to save this. And I am going to assign this in the package. Okay. So my info set was created. So let me just quickly take this screenshot. Okay. So this info set is very important in the next T code. So we'll take this screenshot and we'll paste here. And what is the next step? Click on, this is very important. You need to click on generate, right? So and you will get a pop-up. It has got generated. So that is fine. So you can go back, generate info set, yes. Okay. So my info set got generated. Where is the Excel sheet? Yeah, this is one. So my info set got generated. Now what is the next T code? After this, go to SQ02. Okay. Go to SQ02. Sorry, SQ02 we have already gone it. Sorry, my mistake. So go to SQ03 and you need to create one user group. Okay, you need to create one user group. So let's create one user group like ZZ REP correct AM R1. So this is my user group I am creating. Click on create user group for Z report REPORT. Okay, save. Again, it asks for the package and assign users and info sets. So I click on again assign info sets. So what is our info set we created? We have anyway copied here. So no need to worry. ZM PP CUS AMR1. Okay, so go to the bottom last page and slowly scroll to the top. So where is that ZZ? This one, correct? ZZ PP CST AMR1. Save. Okay, and come back. Save here. You go back. So this is my user group. So let's take this screenshot as well. Okay, save. So even SQ03 is completed. What is the next step? Go to the last T code SQ01. Okay, SQ01 and create the same ZZ REP AM R1. Create. So this is the info set. So assign this and enter it as Z report for AMR1 plant maintenance, right? We are creating for our module only plant maintenance. Okay, click on basic list. So this is the main screen where you will design the report output. Okay, so enter the all the click on the drop downs of all the fields which is in the left window. Little bit I will scroll to the right. Okay, next enter, tick on all these things. Okay, all are needed in our report. Correct, all are needed. So if you see here, everything is getting assigned here. Okay, so even we can add coloring. You can add the colors and you can add few graphic icons. So all these things we can do that here. But since we are doing the basic things, right? So We are not going to do enhance that much. So this is fine. And click on save. Okay. So query ZZREPN got created. Click on test. Okay. So as you click on test, number of data sets, I'll keep it as maximum 5000. Click on this. See. As soon as you click on that, you see here whatever the selection screen we designed, it came like this. So my plant is AMR1. So execute. I will see the all the fields that I have built or I have joined, right? So everything got populated here. See. So this is how the output of the report based on the logic and based on the info set. Okay. Now I will show you one more thing. Now we cannot tell the user to go to SQ01 and do this, right? So we need to assign a proper T code. We need to assign a proper T code for this report, and then we will give the T code to the user. So how to do that? So we'll go back. We'll first save this, right? And go back. Save this here also. Okay. Click on back. Now go to query. Go to more functions. Display report name. Okay. So take this report name of the report. So copy this report, Control C. Let's paste here. Okay. This is my report name. So what is the T code to create a T code? Yeah, it's a little bit fancy. T code to create a T code is SC93. So in SC93, I will create one T code ZPM underscore ORD order report. Click on create. So ZPM ORD report and click on this radio button and enter the program name here. So what is the program name? This is my program name. Report name, correct? So backend report name. So remove this, enter this. Okay. Click on enter and save this. And again save this. So my T code is ZPM or DR EP. So slash n ZPM underscore ORDR EP. Right? So yeah, T code also assigned now. Okay. So my plant is AMR1. And if I want to filter only PM02 order types, correct? And it will show only PM02 order types. If I wanted to enter only one order, I can also do that. Like let's take any one of the order. If from here only we will take. Okay. I just want to make sure that and show you that it is working. It will work for even one single order selection. So go back, enter the order, remove this. See, only for one order we can see. So this is how we will build a report and give it to the client without taking any help from the ABAP. So this is simple table joins, and we can. This is how we will join the tables, and we'll assign the T codes and will give it to the client. And this is possible using SAP query. Okay, so I hope likewise we do have many of such examples. If using the queries, we had also those videos. So if you need to also have those videos, just reach out to my WhatsApp number, which I have given in the description, or you can mail to my email ID, which is also given in the description. Okay, so if you like the video, just subscribe the channel, share, and comment. If you want to build a new Z report, if you can comment, if you can give the requirement in the comment, then I can make a video on that also. Okay, so this is all for today. We'll meet in another video. Thank you.